Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. Today I will be making some quick and easy Dollar Tree home decor DIYs. Starting with my first project, I will be using this Dollar Tree wood plank, which I'm going to paint using the Waverly Antique Wax. I'm going to add this home sign that I got from Dollar Tree. This came in a 2-pack and I painted it using black paint. To decorate this, I will be using some Dollar Tree greenery, which I did cut 2 stems, tie them together, glue them on the corner, and then I made a bow using the Dollar Tree ribbon. And that is it for this beautiful home sign. For my next project, I will be using this pot that I got from Walmart. It was 98 cents. And I'm going to paint it using black paint. Using some Dollar Tree foam, I'm going to add some in the middle of the pot and then add some of the Dollar Tree greenery. I'm going to decorate the pot using some jute twine. I used 1.5 of the pigs, and that is it. Look how beautiful this turned out. For my next project, I will be using this square that I got from Michael's. It was 97 cents. Now I'm going to paint it using some white paint. To decorate this, I'm using this letter that I got from Dollar Tree. I'm going to just glue the M, and for like the little hanger, I'm going to hang it on the piece of wood. And that is it. Look how beautiful this turned out. For my next project, I'm using this decor sign that I got from the Dollar Tree and this little wooden truck that I got from Walmart. I'm going to paint it using the Waverly Antique Wax, the little truck, and the frame of the decor sign. I'm going to add the truck in the center. Now to make this 3D, I'm going to use a piece of popsicle stick and then add the smart truck. For the flowers, you can add flowers. Dollar Tree carries so many different flowers that you can add. but instead I'm using some of this plastic greenery that I got from the Dollar Tree. And that is it for this beautiful home decor sign. For my next project, I will be using this small little house. I'm going to stain it using the Waverly Antique Wax. To decorate this, I will be adding some jute twine, then adding this farm fresh wood little sign that I also got from the Dollar Tree, but I got this a while back during the fall. I did paint it using the Waverly Antique Wax. I will be adding a bow and some greenery, and that is it for this beautiful farm fresh small little house. And that is it, guys. I hope you have enjoyed today's video. Let me know that in the comment section which one was your favorite, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and until next time, bye.